Primary School acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we meet today, the Wurundjeri and Bunurong people, and pay our respects to Indigenous people, past, present, and emerging.
We also would like to acknowledge any Aboriginal or Torres Strait Islander people we have here with us today.
We will now sing the national anthem and all demonstrate two of our school values, responsibility and respect. When we sing the anthem with pride and stand up straight with our hands to our sides like this, or just in front like this.
When we finish singing, we sit down quietly and listen for what is coming up next. We now invite you to stand for the Australian National Anthem.
Australians, oh, let us rejoice, for we are one and free. We've golden soil and wealth for toil. Our home is God by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts, all beauty rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains that let us sing, advance Australia fair.
Not yet. I'll tell you when to start.
Be good to your iPad. Be good to your iPad. Be safe, responsible, gentle and clean. From the S to the R to the G to the C, these are the things that help you be good to your iPad every day. Be safe with your iPad when you use both hands. You gotta sit down to use it, that's the plan. The apps and games you put on your device should be based on your teacher's advice. Be good to your iPad. Be good to your iPad. Be safe, responsible, gentle and clean. From the S to the R to the G to the C, these are the things that help you be good to your iPad every day. You clean with your iPad when you wash your hands. You don't wanna cover it with dirt or sand. Keep all your food and drink away, especially if you're eating a hot fudge sundae. Be good to your iPad. Be good to your iPad. Be safe, responsible, gentle and clean. From the S to the R to the G to the C, these are the things that help you be good to your iPad every day. choose your apps. No pain, no throwing in, no baseball bats. To take it easy on your iPad. Be good to your iPad. Be good to your iPad. Be safe, responsible, gentle and clean. From the X to the I to the G to the C, these are the things that help you be good to your iPad every day. Responsibility is the key. That iPad is responsibility. Charge your night, bring it to school every day. And be kind, don't lie always. Be good to your iPad. Be good to your iPad. Be safe, responsible, gentle and clean. From the S to the I to the G to the C, these are the things that help you be good to your iPad every day. Good to your iPad every day. Be good to your iPad every day. Be good to your iPad every day. Every day.
Give yourselves a clap.